In the heart of the Northern Territory, excellence in glass isn't just a goal, it's our standard.
Welcome to Northern Glass Solutions.
Our mission is simple, to redefine the industry. Based here in East Arm, we've built a facility that combines global technology with local expertise. But a great product starts long before the glass is cut. It begins with a rigorous understanding of the tropical environment we build for. It starts with our extensive inventory. From standard float glass to high-performance LOE and tinted variants, every sheet is inspected for imperfections before it ever reaches the line. Our automated loading systems minimise manual handling, ensuring the glass remains pristine and scratch-free from the very first step. From here, the optimisation table maps out the glass to ensure maximum yield per sheet. For total traceability, a unique QR code is etched onto every piece. This digital DNA contains everything we need to know: the exact dimensions, the project name, and its final destination. Once cut, the glass moves to processing. Sharp edges are transformed into smooth, polished finishes, essential for both aesthetics and structural integrity. The vertical sorter then acts as our intelligent buffer. Glass of the same size, shape and thickness is automatically aligned and staged before entering the toughening process. This is the heart of the plant, where temperatures reach up to 700 degrees Celsius. For our safety glass range, this is where the rigorous Australian standards come into play. Every piece of Grade A safety glass we produce complies strictly with AS 2208. We don't just meet the standard, we internalise it. Our team monitors the heat treating and laminating processes with digital precision, ensuring the glass can withstand the extreme impact and thermal stress unique to the top end. Using state-of-the-art CNC technology, we achieve tolerances within fractions of a millimetre. This ensures a perfect fit whether we're producing a single custom window or hundreds of panels for a commercial high-rise. Innovation is what sets NGS apart. Here we assemble our signature lines, ZenPaint Acoustic and N-Tough ClimaSmart. Our ZenPaint double glazing units are engineered specifically for the territory, using specialised laminates to dampen noise while providing world-class thermal insulation. Our automatic assembly line ensures desiccants are perfectly placed to prevent moisture ingress, and seals are airtight, even in our humid climate. Before any product leaves our floor, it undergoes a final quality assurance check for clarity, coating consistency, and dimensional accuracy. At Northern Glass Solutions, we're more than just a supplier, we're a partner in the growth of the Northern Territory. From architects and builders to local homeowners, we provide the clarity and strength you can trust. Northern Glass Solutions, where trust meets excellence in glass.